Hello everyone, welcome to another AdSense tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix AdSense low value content issue. Now this is something that a lot of creators are getting through right now. It's a issue that can be fixed, not very easily, but it can be fixed. As you can see right here, when the system perceives your content as lacking value or being irrelevant to users, it may trigger low content value or warning. So basically the first thing, and this is the first thing that I always say, is to make sure your content is detailed, make sure your content is SEO optimized, and make sure your content is not vague. Because if your content is vague, if your content is empty in terms of the keywords and stuff like that, then the AdSense might trigger the low content or low value content warning. So here's what you can do, right? Obviously, before SEO optimization and stuff like that, you can do other things as well. You can add your site into the search console, Google Search Console. If you don't know, just go and type into Google. You will be able to find tutorial on our website or on our channel as well on that. You can navigate your main menus and legal pages separately. So if you have legal pages, make sure they are separate from your main menus. Never repeat anything on site. So for example, if you're showing the latest post in sidebar and then you are showing the latest post in the footer as well, don't do these kind of practices. Also, don't do same articles over and over again, which will basically kill your AdSense. Don't apply to AdSense till your site homepage or at least 5 to 15 posts indexed in Google. This is what I would do. I would never go and just apply for AdSense if my website is vague and if my website is not generating quality content. Now try to make content on these topics which are having with less information on Google, or not those niches which are low in competition. Don't write on these kind of common topics, how to make money online, for example, right? And don't be vague. You want to be specific when it comes to your keywords. And also try to write at least 12 to 20 posts and then apply for your site for AdSense, because and 12 to 20 detailed posts, because otherwise it won't be valuable to AdSense to approve you, and AdSense will give you a low content or low value content warning. So those are the things you want to go and that you want to basically be aware of. As you can see, if you will follow these tips, then you can 100% take the AdSense approval within a few days. So thanks for Ashan Saif for this particular article. It's definitely a helpful article, so definitely screenshot this and make sure you're following this in order to fix AdSense low value content issue. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.